Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of corpses in Project Zomboid. First, be aware that zombie corpses will decompose and eventually disappear on their own over time. But that can take many in-game days and isn't ideal near your base. Too many corpses can cause corpse sickness if you stay near them. You can haul them away and dispose of them on a remote area, but it's risky. One of the safest methods is to use a dumpster or large garbage bin. Find a dumpster outside stores. Right-click on a corpse, grab it, and put it in the bin. Do this until all the corpses are inside the dumpster. Once done, open the bin's inventory and use Delete All. This instantly removes the corpses from the game. Another way is to bury the bodies. Find a shovel, right-click the ground, and choose Dig Grave. Then grab a corpse and right-click on the grave and choose Bury Corpse. Each grave can hold multiple bodies before you select Fill Grave to finalize it. And that's how you get rid of corpses in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.